Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the unexpected error in Windows Defender. Let's get started. Step 1, disable any third-party antivirus software. If you have another antivirus or anti-malware program running on your computer, temporarily turn off real-time protection in that software. Then try using Windows Defender again to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2, edit Windows Registry. Open the search bar, type regedit, right-click Registry Editor, and select Run as Administrator. Before making any changes, go to File, then select Export to back up your registry first. Then follow this path, HKE_LLocal_machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Right-click on the right panel, then select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Disable Antispyware with D, A, and S capitalized. Double-click it and set value data to 0, then click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. After rebooting, open Windows Defender again. The error should be gone. That's it. You've successfully fixed the Windows Defender error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.